our lives as Pacifica people,
or non-Pacifica people,
you may find yourself witnessing somebody getting their malu done.
For a Samoan woman, getting her malu is one of the most sacred traditions.
Because it's such a sacred process, there are some things you should know.
Number 1.
Wear
a
an
lava
e.
lava.
Oh, wear a lava lava, sorry. Wear an e lava lava. Number 2.
Fold your legs. Sitting with your legs folded is hard, but wharamalo si.
And if your legs get numb, well, that sounds like a you problem. When your legs start to get numb, you can discreetly put one leg out, and when you're feeling the burn again, switch, and switch, and then switch, and then switch again. Tip number 3, take a plate.
Like any Samoan event, it's always a good idea to take some food.
Think light, light.
Oh God, so aggressive. Sushi, sandwiches, chicken nibbles are always a good idea.
Number 4, be present. There is nothing worse than being under the owl, looking for a distraction from the pain, and you can't get any support from anyone.
Please, don't go live when your friend is there asking for a drink of water because she's about to pass out. Don't go live, all right? That one's for you, Dad.
Damn! And lastly, encourage your friends.
Some Samoan phrases you could use to encourage your friend could be malo le ta oto, malo le ta liao,
Malo le sau sau.
malo le koso.
All in all, just be respectful, don't be lame muffs, and
Just enjoy the experience with your loved one.
that's us for this week from Island Girl Tips. Please tune in next week, or don't, and lose the knowledge that we have to offer you.